Good morning, everyone. It's Tim with Bevan Farm. Today I'm going to show you how to use your GoPro Hero 4, that's what I have, as a dash cam. A lot of people don't know how to wire this up so that you can play it in your car without using the batteries, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what you're going to need to do is get your camera, and you're going to take out the battery. I already did this in mine. So you take out the battery, and you are going to get yourself a USB to mini USB cord. It's going to go in right here at the top, and you can plug that into a USB cigarette lighter or an outlet if you have it in your car. And so I'm going to do that real quick, and we're going to see if this powers up. Turn on my car for good measure, and I'm going to go ahead and plug in this USB cord. I actually got this cord, it's a GoPro cord. I got it off of eBay. It's like $12 or something, but it's USB to mini USB. And so here's the mini USB, and we are going to now plug that into the side of my camera here. We'll see if that turns it on. It's hard to do this with one hand. Let's just hold that thing down. Okay, needs to go on that side. Flip this over. Sorry, I was wrong. It's not the top, it's the bottom. So let's push the power button. All right, I got this plugged in, so let's plug it into my camera. And I was wrong too. I said it was going to be the top port, but it's actually the bottom one when you're sitting like this. All right, got that plugged in. Now let's see if we can get the camera to turn on. There you go. Hero 4 popping up. Perfect. Now we're going to need to go into the settings and put it onto looping mode. So let's see here. It's going to take me a second. I will do this with two hands, and then I will tell you how I did. Okay, I'm into my camera's settings mode. You can push the button on the side here. I don't know if we can even see that. There's a little settings button. Takes you to the screen where it says mode. All right, let's make this a little more visible. It says video. You can push this top button to scroll through. There's time-lapse video where it takes a picture every 5 seconds, or that says half a second. You can do video plus photo, and then it does the pictures every 5 seconds. I'm going to push it again. There's looping right there. So I want that. And if you want to change the amount of time before it loops, you push the button here. It'll take you down. I put mine on 20 minutes, but you can do 5 or 20 or something else. And then there's all the different settings. 1080 frames per second, all that stuff. And I'm pretty okay with what it is, so I'm just gonna get out of here, and I am going to use these settings. I think this is a good thing. I wanted to do it every 20 minutes, and once I push record, my dash cam will start working. I'll just hook it up to my mount right here in my windshield. You can do it wherever you have it for your car, but yeah, that's how you do it. And should be pretty easy to go. So hopefully this helps you out. You can use your GoPro as a dash cam. You don't have to buy one of those crappy cameras you see online and at Walmart and all that stuff, because they're no good. These are way better. So anyway, hope this helped. You guys have a good one.